Alright, we got Jeremy's car pulled in the garage. We pushed my car out. He bought the 6-point Maximum Motorsport roll cage with the swing out door bars. We already started on it. We got the whole interior pulled out. We didn't video any of that, but we're about to install it, put it in the car, and then we got it bolted all in first, and then we got to take it back out. He's gonna have it powder coated.
Don't mind my butter knife.
It'll barely cut saran wrap.
Yeah.
The way they ship this thing is pretty neat.
Yeah, it's like bolted to wood and stuff. Pretty cool.
Alright, so we got everything unpackaged. We're about to set the main hoop in. What are you reading? That's when you know it's serious, when you're reading directions.
Alright, so I just put it down on the floorboard, I bet.
That seemed like the wrong way.
Oh yeah, it does say dodge the door. Maybe I read that magazine a little better.
Alright, we'll put the main hoop in, and the rear diagonals are just bolted in for mock-up. We had to clean the bottom. We still got to clean all the insulator or sound deadening or whatever that stuff's called there. But to be a straight, like, pre-made cage, the thing fits pretty good. Obviously the door bars aren't in right now, but it looks good. It's dark in here. The diagonals marked in, the holes drilled, and the quarter plastics are marked. We're about to take the cage out. We got our buddy coming over, and he's gonna weld the main hoop to the diagonal bars for us. And that's about as far as we can go with the cage, because now we got to take it out and send it off and have it powder coated with the front bars also.
Easier to put it in the first?
They put it in the console and then,
Yeah. Then they do it. That's what I said. Put that on the back.
Alright, so we got the cage out of the car. This is about as far as we're gonna get, but we're gonna have our buddy come up, and he's got to weld the main hoop to the diagonal bars on both sides, and then the cage has got to get sent out for powder coating. So this is as far as we can get on this video, but we'll catch back up when it comes back from powder coating, and we'll probably be putting it in next weekend. So thanks for watching.